This cheese garlic sandwich is unforgettable because it's so delicious and easy to make. In a small bowl, mix room temperature butter, minced garlic, salt and chopped parsley. Spread the mixture evenly on one side of bread slice. Heat a pan on the medium flame, then put buttered side of bread down, put mozzarella and cheddar cheese on the bread. Then put another bread on the top and spread remain butter mixture on it. Cover the pan with lid and cook until golden brown, then flip the sandwich and again cover with lid and cook until golden brown.